Okay, so have you ever been into a situation where you want to play music while you work, but you also want to be aware of your surrounding if someone else starts talking to you? Then I got something just for you. So these are OpenRock X Earbuds, and what's special about this one is that it's designed as open ear air induction, which means that when you put them on, you don't seal off your ear canal at all, which allows you to have a natural awareness of your surrounding while delivering good quality audio. Now before we talk about all of its features, let's go ahead and unbox and see what you get inside of the package. Now honestly, I was very impressed with its overall build quality and the design, as the case itself is made from aluminum material, which will protect it from any accidental drops that you have. And it also comes with this hook on the top, which allows you to attach it on yourself or your bag while you are traveling. Now to open this, you just gently press the bottom side of it and it will slide out to reveal the earbuds itself on each side. Now speaking of earbuds itself, I must say that this design is very unique from other products, as it has this hook style which goes behind your ears to secure the fit, and overall it has this multi-axis adjustments, so no matter the shape of your ear, it will definitely fit you really well when you adjust this accordingly. And on the earbuds itself, the overall use of the materials are pretty much plastic and silicone for the hook, which is going to provide you comfort for longer session of its use. Now you might be wondering that why it has a gap between earbuds and the ear itself. Well, that is what makes this product special when comparing with your traditional earbuds like AirPods or any other ones, because this doesn't goes inside your ear canal and it allows you to have this natural awareness of your surrounding compared to that digital transparency through the mics. And if you think that will compromise the bass response in the music you listen to, then honestly, yes, there is a difference in a bass response, but I was actually surprised how good these earbuds performed in the low frequencies, especially when you customize the EQ in the app, which we'll talk about more later. The main difference in the bass response between the traditional and this OpenRock X wasn't that bad at all when considering its open ear design. Now speaking of other features and the battery life, it can last up to 12 hours on a full charge and up to 48 hours with the case charging, which is pretty solid in my opinion. It also has this bunch of additional features such as waterproofing up to IPX5 rating, so you can definitely use them for your gym workouts without any issues. And it also features this multiple connection up to 2 devices, so it's very seamless when it comes to switching between your devices. And my favorite feature about this earbud is the app that you can download on your device, which allows you to customize the experience exactly how you want it. So once you download the app, you could customize things such as EQ, which has few options like rock mode, a boom mode and relaxed mode that you can set based on your music type. You can even set a reminder when it reminds you to take a rest from listening, and you can also customize the buttons on the earbuds to control the volume, or you can skip to the next track. And it also comes with this spatial sound, which sort of makes the music feels more like it's coming from a space rather than straight into your ears, which I definitely like a lot. And if you can't seem to find your earbuds or you dropped it somewhere, then you can also play a tone that will play this high frequency sound, so you can find your earbuds wherever they are. So after spending some time with these earbuds, I can say that it definitely changed my mind when it comes to using such kind of product, because even though we love the noise cancelling earbuds, I can definitely see myself using the transparency mode majority of the time except flying on a plane, because usually I listen to music while I'm riding on the subway or even just walking outside, because it just gives me that safe feeling that I know what's going on around me. And being in New York, I definitely recommend you using the open earbuds so that you are always aware of your surrounding whenever you are walking or something. So if you want to check out this product, there's a link in the description, so definitely check out that, and also check out these other videos that I think you will also enjoy. And I wish all of you happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next one.